Hello everyone, I'm Mike with Fuse in San Jose, California. Today I'll talk about the asbestos and the health complications that could be from that. We do many installations in the Bay Area and we see lots of old houses that have the asbestos. Most of the houses are built prior to 1980. The main area where you see the asbestos is on the ductwork, so it looks like, you know, sort of like a white or silver lining, like some kind of paper sheet wrapped ducts. So those could be in the attic or those could be in the crawl space. The asbestos, it is dangerous. Whatever you do, like when you touch it, scratch it, that's when the asbestos is being released into the air. If like any earthquakes or any house movements, anything, let's say someone comes and do an attic installation for you, or plumbers do some kind of work, they're gonna interfere, touch the asbestos, it would be released, it's dangerous. The more you breathe it, there is a higher chance to have things like, you know, lung cancer or any health complications. It's very dangerous for kids, if you have small kids and so on. So the reason I'm talking about asbestos is our company Fuse. Like I mentioned, we deal with this on a daily basis and we have good expertise how to make your house asbestos free. We can replace the ductwork or we can install completely new system. Take out all the asbestos, and depends on the projects. Bigger project might be subcontracted, we might involve many companies, so depends on the complications. We can handle all kinds of asbestos related projects and help you get rid of that. So for the asbestos related work, if you just replace the ductwork or the system, ideally we suggest you replace the whole system, because if you had an existing furnace and you had an asbestos, it might already be contaminated with it. Something like that takes about, at the minimum, 2 to 5 days, depends on how many vents you have. And our team would, first thing they would do is they would come out, seal your whole house, all the proper procedures would be followed to get rid of the asbestos on the first day, and then we would carry out the installation, would install the new ductwork, the new system, seal everything, make sure it's up to the standards in all the codes, all the city codes and so on. Second option is you can always take out the asbestos and you can install the ductless system. With the ductless system there is obviously no ducts. All the work we do will be warranted. You can safely enjoy the system knowing that whatever goes, at some point if something would happen, we're always here, we'll come out and fix it, and we'll take care of you as much as we can, because once someone starts working with a Fuse, you're becoming a part of our family. We want to make sure that you're absolutely happy with the product that we sell. Please send us any questions or request the estimates. We'll be more than happy to send you and explain how everything is working. Thank you so much for watching. Mike with Fuse.